Most dual consoles in this class make you choose offshore fishing platform or family cruiser. Grady-White built the Freedom 345 to be both without compromise. Built by Grady-White in Greenville, North Carolina, in production since 1959. The Freedom 345 is a 33-foot dual console offshore platform. Hull is SeaV² Grady-White's proprietary variable dead rise deep V, no external designer, built in-house. Twin Yamaha XTO 450 outboards, 1,050 horsepower combined. Top end, 52.2 miles per hour at 6,100 RPM. Cruise at 29.9 miles per hour on 3,900 RPM. 300 gallons of fuel. The range to run offshore and not second guess the gauge on the way back. 33 feet 6 inches overall. Beam 11 feet 7. Hull draft 27 inches. 20-degree transom dead rise. Self-bailing cockpit with side doors. Anchor windlass standard forward. 30-gallon live well aft, and bow cushioned seating with a folding table. The port console cabin leads a full electromechanically operated sliding berth, bench seat, flat screen television, microwave, and skylight, all standard, not an upgrade. Starboard console closes with an enclosed head and cockpit shower. At the helm, factory air conditioning and Command Elite chair standard. Aft of the helm, a wet bar with Corian countertop, refrigerator, and freshwater sink. Seakeeper 3 gyro stabilizer is available. The Freedom 345 displaces 12,510 pounds without engines. SeaV² hull geometry holds 20 degrees of dead rise at the transom. The offshore stability Grady-White has refined since 1959. This is the boat for the angler who doesn't want to apologize for the ride home. Grady-White solved a problem most builders still treat as a trade-off. For the full specification sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.